Yes, good morning students. Welcome back to online classes again. Yesterday we have seen some of the problems based upon the properties of rational numbers like commutative property, distributive property, associative property, inverse property and inverse. We have seen two types of inverse. One is additive inverse and second one is multiplicative inverse. And identity elements. 0 is the additive identity element and 1 is the multiplicative identity element. Okay, see, always you are not supposed to confuse yourself. Okay, right, see the question and then go for answering. Simply don't give the answers as it is. Clear? Okay, so today let me start the one more problem, that is 10th problem. The rational numbers that does not have any reciprocal. So very simple. Here when you see, for example, we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any numbers. We will see whether they are having reciprocals or not. Reciprocal means what? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Okay. These numbers only these numbers are there. There are still many more numbers are there. One more number is there, 0. What is the reciprocal of this? 1 by 0. Will it be exist? No. That means what? 0 is the number which doesn't exist. It's a reciprocal. Did you understand? 0 is a number which will not have any reciprocal because 1 by 0 means will not exist. Did you understand? Therefore, the first answer is what? The 0 is the answer. Okay. Second question. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. Some rational numbers are there. If you do reciprocal, same number only will come. Can you guess please any numbers? Yes? 0? No. Very yes? 1. Super. Very good. 1 is the answer. One more answer please. Anyone? Yes, minus 1. Because if you do 1 by 1 is equals to 1 only. If you do 1 divided by minus 1, it is also equal to minus 1 only. Therefore, which numbers are reciprocals will be same? Numbers as well as their reciprocals will be same means 1 and minus 1 only. Okay? Very good. Now understood? Yes. Third question. The rational numbers that is equals to its negative. Any number is there? Tell me. Yes. What is the answer? 0. With me, a pen is there. I am taking out 0 pens from this. So 0 pens means what? I am not taking out any one pen only. Any pen. Whether one pen, two pens or any one. Did you understand? Yes. Now one more example. If you see one pen is there, you are adding 0 pens to it. 0 pens means what? You are not adding anything only. You will see only one pen. Did you understand? Therefore, what is the answer? It is also 0 only. Now see, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks you have to do by yourself. Very simple questions are there. 0 has dash reciprocal. 1 reciprocal, 2 reciprocal. How many reciprocals? 1 reciprocal. 0 doesn't have any reciprocal only. Okay? Like that. One more is the numbers dash and dash are their reciprocals. I told you before only 1 and minus 1 are having same reciprocals. And the third question, the reciprocal of minus 5. If it is minus 5, it is 1 by 5. If it is 5, it is 1 by 5. That much only. Reciprocal 1 by, that much only. If it is minus 5, it is minus 1 by 5. If it is only 5, it is 1 by 5. Did you understand? Yes. Next question. The product of two rational numbers is always the product of two rational numbers is always rational number or not. See, very simple. Let's see, for example, 5 by 2 into 7 by 8. 5 by 2 into 7 by 8. 5 by 2 into 7 by 8 means what happened? Now see, 5 7 ja 35 divided by 2 8 ja 16. 2 8 ja 16. Whether it is a rational number or not? Yes. Students will tell one more example you can take, no sir. 3 by 5 into 0. What is the answer? 0 only. Whether 0 is a rational number or not. Again there is a doubt for you. Yes. 0 can be written as 0 by 5. 0 by 2. 0 by 1. 0 by 10. We have already told you rational numbers means it is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. That much only. Here 10 is there. Is q is equal to 0? No. Therefore, you should remember that 0 is also a rational number. Okay. Now very simple. Okay. After this, we should know another two concepts. The first concept is number line, how to represent the numbers on the number line and how to get the numbers in between those two numbers. Very simple. See, number line you know? Yes, you know number line? Yes. What is number line? A line on which numbers will be located. Numbers will be represented. That much only. See, for example, we have learned like this. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 is nothing but neutral. Neutral means what? There is no plus, there is no minus. Everything will start from here only. Okay? Now if you count left side, all will be minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Clear? Clear now? Yes. This is nothing but number line. For example, I want locate 5 by 7 on this number line. If you see 5 is there, but what is not there? 7 is not there. Therefore, what I will do? Divide by 7, divide by 7, divide by 7, divide by 7. Every between the numbers must be divided with 7. That's all. Here, if you take 7 by 7, that means what? It is nothing but 0 to 1. 7 by 7 is what? 1. But here you want 5 by 7 like this. Okay, na? Sometimes what happens? Locate the numbers only, but he will give, it is not in the fraction form, directly whole number also. That also we can represent. So we will solve the exercise 1.2. Very simple. Represent the number 7 by 4 on the number line. 7 by 4. See now, very simple. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So how much we have to do? Replicate 3 by 7 by 4. Now numerator 7 is there, but denominator what is there? 4 is not there. Just to divide with 4. 4, 4, 4. Same 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. We want how much? 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is there or not? Like this. In this 1 and 7 by 4 sometimes. Represent 1 and 7 by 4. 1 means what? 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means what? It is nothing but minus 1 or not? No sir, I want minus 2. Represent minus 2. Here minus 2 you see, very very simple. Again you extend 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, by 4, by 4, by 4 and by 4. Okay na? Now you can see, we want minus 2 means minus 8 by 4. It is nothing but what? Minus 2 or not? So in one number line only you will get like this. Did you understand? Yes. One more. Very simple problems. Minus 5 by 6. We have to locate minus 5 by 6. So very simple. Minus 5 by 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 5 by 6 I want. Minus 5 is there or not? What is not there? 6 is not there. Then you can divide with 6, that much only directly. 6, 6, 6, 6. It is easy to understand. There are other methods are there, but you don't want. This method is very very important, very very simple. Therefore, what is the answer? Minus 5 by 6 like this. Okay na? It is only 1 mark question, that much only. More than that they will not give only. If they will ask for 3 marks question, 3 different types of numbers they will give to locate on the number line. Next one. Represent minus 2 by 11. Minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. Locate minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. Very very simple. Now draw the number line. Very simple number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. Yes, here we have minus 2, minus 5 and minus 9. But what is not there? 11, 11 not there. Just you divide with 11. 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Yes, 11. Yes, 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 yes. Now what is first one? Minus 2 by 11. Where is this? Minus 2 by 11. Where it is? Yes. Next one, minus 5 by 11. Minus 9 by 11. So 1, 2, 3 are there. Therefore, it will be for 3 marks question. So we are representing 3 or not? Therefore, 3 marks question. So it is a very simple question. Clear? And it is very easy to understand also. Yes. Next question. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Yes. we have to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5. See, I will tell one small problem for you. If you see the rational number line 1 here 0, 1 and 2. These are all smaller than 2 or not? Oh. You can write like that, any one, like 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1, 1 and a half, 1, 3 by 4, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want how many? Any 5. See, this is not the correct answer. This is only not the correct answer. There are infinite number of correct answers are there. Sometimes you can do like this. Sir, this is not correct. I will do one more method. There is no problem. Whichever method you want. Okay now? Very, very simple. How? Just take like this number line. Here 0, here 1 and here 2. You divide this into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. This 10 plus 1, 1 by 10. Again here also you can write it. 1 here, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay na? Here how much is there here? 5 means what happened? Like that only. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has been removed like this. Therefore 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 like this. Here 10 by 10. Next one 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10 like this. Last one is how much? 19 by 10. These are all smaller than 2 only. Okay na? 20 by 10 is nothing but 2 only. Therefore, whichever numbers you want, you can write. Using number line also it is correct. Otherwise, any plus, not only plus numbers, you can write a negative numbers also. Did you understand? Yes. Next question. Find any 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Very, very simple. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. You see the method. What is the method? First, you make the denominators same. Therefore, to make the denominator same, we have to take LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? It is nothing but 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now you see 3 how many times? 5 times. 5 how many times? 3 times. 5 2s are 10 and like this. 12 by 15, 12 by 15. We want any 5 rational numbers. If you go for this, you will get only one rational number, that is 11 by 15. So 5 we want, therefore what I will do, I will go with multiply with 10, here also multiply with 10, here also multiply with 10, here also multiply. If you are multiplying with 10 means you should divide with 10 also, because 10 cancel, 10 by 15 only you should get. Here also 10 by 10 should cancel and you should get only 12 by 15. Again 12 by 15 is nothing but 4 by 5 only. Did you understand? Physically we are changing, but mentally the value is not going to change. Now you see 110 into 10, it is nothing but 100 by 150. Here it is nothing but 120 divided by 150. Now we want only 5. Which number is less? 100 is less. Now you can start from here. 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150. Directly how much? Last number 119 by 150. Out of these numbers, you can pick any 5 numbers. It's not that these numbers only are correct. Here instead of multiplying with 10, you can go for multiplication with 15, by 20, by 25, by 30, whichever number you want. But we should get here minimum 5 numbers. We want only 5 numbers. Whichever numbers you want, you can write. Clear? Okay? Right. Next question. So very simple question. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. First what I told, you should take LCM. Now if you take LCM, what happened? 2 into 3, that is 6. Here also 6. 2 how many times? 3 times. 3 how many times? 2 times. Minus 9 and 10. Here these two numbers are there. We want how many numbers? Yes, only 5 numbers we want. Whichever number you want, you can write. Here minus 9 is there. Therefore, first number will be minus 8 by 6. Again, minus 7 by 6. Again, minus 6 by 6. Last number will be 9 by 6. Therefore, how many numbers you want? Those many numbers are there. Among these, we have to select only 5. Selection is yours. Okay? I have given so many numbers. In that, you have to select only 5. See, here I have not multiplied and divided with any number. You can go for multiplication also, there is no problem at all. So that's what only in this type of questions, the answer is not fixed. Because n number of, infinite number of solutions you will get. Okay? Here you may get minus 6 by 6. Sometimes you may get minus 8 by 8. Minus 10 by 10. That means what? Minus 1 only answer. But how many you want? Those many numbers of solutions you will get. Clear? Is it clear? Very good. Next. That's what only first you understand the concept, then you will get different types of answers. Okay? Yes. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So first what I told? Same. Take LCM. 1 by 4. 4 is a multiple of 2. Therefore here also 4. 4 how many times? Only 1 time. 2 how many times? These 2 times. We want 5 rational numbers. So always why with the 10? I will go with the 20. I will go with 20. Multiply and divide with the same number, because 20 cancel. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but what? 1 by 2 only. Whatever you do, whatever you multiply, same thing should multiply in the denominator also to get the same answer. Okay na? Now what is there? 20 divided by 80. And second number 40 divided by 80. Now we want how many numbers? We want only 5 numbers. Whichever numbers you want to write, I can write like this: 21 by 80, 24 by 80, 30 by 80, 34 by 80, 38 by 80. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not that we should write continuously. You can write, or it is not compulsory. Clear? Now you have multiplied with 20, so you got like this numbers. Now I will multiply with 10, that is your problem. I will multiply with 40, that is your problem. Okay na? But here answers are not fixed. Okay? Clear? Yes. But procedure will be same for all the problems. Okay. Not only 5, you can find infinite number of numbers in between the two given numbers. Next number, write 5 rational numbers greater than -2. Greater than -2. We have to write the numbers which are greater than -2. Very, very simple. Yes, you can write greater than -2. You can write. Means see, for example, if you see number line like this: 0, 1, -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Greater than -2. After numbers, how many numbers are there? These are all greater than -2. Okay na? Whichever numbers you want, you can write. Did you understand? Yes. Yes, next. Find rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. 3/4 and 3/5. How many numbers we want? 10 rational numbers. How many we have to find out? 10 rational numbers. So in this 10 rational numbers, it is very easy. Now see, first what I told, should go for finding the LCM. Now find LCM. 4 and 5 means 20. Here also 20. 4 how many times? 5 times. 5 how many times? 4 times. 5 3 ja how much? 15. 3 4 ja 12. Now here we want to find out 10 rational numbers. How many numbers? 10 rational numbers. Very, very simple. Now 10 rational numbers, he told that's what only I will multiply with 10 only. If you want, you can multiply with any other number. There is no objection. Clear? It is how much it is? 150 divided by 200. And here it is 120 divided by 200. If you simplify, again you will get 3/5 only. Okay na? Now how many we want? 10 numbers. Now 120 is there. Next number 121 by 200. 122 by 200. Last number how much? 149 by 200. So in this, whichever number you want, you can write. But how many numbers? Only 10 numbers. So these are all only of 2 marks questions. The type is how many marks? Only 2 marks question like this. Did you understand? Yes. So this is the end of this exercise. Okay. I will do some of the problems which are based upon the same only. Okay na? Now we see verification, some of the properties of verification. Okay, if A equal to 4/5, B equal to 3/2, C equal to 1/2, then verify A plus B plus C is equals to A plus of B plus C. Okay na? We have to see A plus B plus of C equal to A plus of B plus C. C. Okay na? Right. Very simple. Now take left hand side always. LHS you take. LHS what is that? A equal to 4 by 5 plus B is equals to how much is there? 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now this is one bracket. Take LCM 5 2 ja 10. Now 5 how many times? 2 times. 2 how many times? 5 times. 2 4 ja 8 plus 3 5 ja yes 15 plus 1 by 2. Take in the right side 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is equals to 4 by 5 plus it is nothing but 3 by 2 4 by 2 4 by 2. Next 8 plus 15 13 by 10 plus 1 by 2 equal to 4 by 5 plus 2 ones 2 twos only 2. Okay na? Now you can check if you take 13 by 10 LCM is 10, that is 13 plus 5 is equals to 4 plus 10 by 5. Yes, 4 by 5 plus 2. 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2, 10 is the answer. 4 2 ja 8, 3 5 ja yes 15. It is nothing but 23. Here 23 what happens? 23 it will become 28 by 10 equal to 14 by 5. 2 5 ja 2 14 ja. That means what? 14 by 5 and 14 by 5. That means what happened? This is also correct. This is also correct only. Okay na? Yes? Yes. So this is the verification. What is this? This is the verification of this. Clear? Yes.